last week with the home shopping delivery from Tesco. Tesco is a bit like a Walmart, I guess. It offers home delivery. Delivered this Blu-ray, and unfortunately it had the tag inside. And I just hacked at it until I got it out. It was very, very difficult, almost damaged the disc, but everything's fine. But then I could see how the damn thing worked inside. And this week I ordered another one, First Man Blu-ray, and again it came with the tag in here. Now I thought I'd show you how to get these out. Very, very simple. The tag does 4 things. First of all, it locks into place. Second of all, it stops these prongs from being compressed together so you can lift the item out. So even if you do get the lid off, and the lid is retained by this little hook over here, and it's also got those strips in the back behind this which triggers the disturbance in the field for the alarms as you leave the store if you try and half-inch it. So it's very, very simple. You can see in here there's a little tab here. This raised latch clicks into here and stops it from being removed. Simple to do is to get a magnet, and I'm leaving this open. Normally this would be closed, but just so you can see, and then you can just pull the darn thing out. Just one more time, won't come out. And there it comes. Now, one thing I should say, it has to be a strong magnet. You won't get the benefit of seeing this tag because it'll be closed. It's the end of the tag where you need to apply the magnet. So once again, out it comes. Hope that's helpful. Cheers.